We'll guide you through how to mask background in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start the creative process, launch the CapCut desktop application on your Windows device. Navigate carefully to the login icon located in the top left dashboard section. Select the Google login option for a streamlined and highly efficient authentication process. Choose your preferred Google account from the selection prompt provided. Click Continue to grant the software all of the necessary permissions. Click the browser pop-up to return immediately to your workspace. Confirm your login status to access all premium editing features and cloud assets. Click on New Project to open the main editing interface window. Click the Import button to load your raw footage. Browse your local files to locate the specific media required. Highlight both your primary subject clip and your chosen background asset together. Click Open to successfully add these files to your project library. Drag your background asset onto the primary track on the timeline. Drag your raw video clip to the layer directly above the background. Extend or trim the background clip duration so it matches your video layer perfectly. Select the specific video layer on your timeline. Navigate to the Mask tab found within the right-hand settings panel. Click Add Mask to view all of the available geometric shapes. Choose a mask type, such as a circle, that best fits your subject. Click and drag the handles to resize and position the mask precisely over your subject. Select the Basic tab located in the right-hand menu now. Adjust the scale settings to ensure your subject fits perfectly within the bounds of the mask. Preview your professional edit by clicking the spacebar or the play button. Click the Export button in the upper right corner area. Set the resolution to 1080p for crisp, high-definition output quality. Set the bitrate to higher to ensure that you maintain maximum visual fidelity for the file. Select H.264 as your video codec for optimal compatibility across all devices. Choose MP4 as your container format for a balanced and efficient file size. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second to ensure smooth and seamless playback for viewers. Click the Final Export button at the bottom of the pop-up menu to successfully render your creative video project. Your professional video is ready for your audience.